Good day mga ka-CRT! Welcome again to our YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I'm going to discuss the calculator technique using Canon 789 SGA in solving geometric progression. Let's begin. For our first example, given the geometric sequence 3, 6, 12, 24, and so on, find the 10th term. So in our calculator, press mode 3. You can choose between 5 and 6. I will use 5 first. So let us press 5 and the table will show in the calculator. So same thing with arithmetic progression, we have to put or to enter two values. So for the column X, let us enter the first and the second term. So enter 1 and 2. For the column Y, let us put the exact value for the first term, and that is 3. For the second term, that is 6. Then, press CA, press apps. This is under the sheet. Select 8, that is reg or regression. And select caret Y, that is in 5. In front of caret Y, put the required term, which is 10 term. So, press 10 and press equal sign. So the answer for this example is 1536 or 1536. And that is in letter B. For our next example, given the geometric sequence 40, 20, 10, 5, find the 12th term. So in our calculator, press mode 3. This time, I will be using 6. So press mode 3, 6. So still, you have this table. In column X, let us use again the first term, so enter 1. The second term, so enter 2. In the Y column, enter the exact value for the first term, that is 40. And for the second term, that is 20. Press CA, press apps, press 8, and press 5. So, to bring out the caret Y. Then in front of caret Y, enter the required term, and that is 12. Then press equal sign. So the answer here is 0.01953,125. And from the choices, the answer is in letter D. Next example, given the geometric sequence A3 equals 4, this is the third term. A7 equals 2,916, this is the seventh term. Find the 11th term. In our calculator, press mode 36. In column X, let us put 3 because the given is third term and 7 for the seventh term. For the column Y, let us enter the exact value for A3, that is 4. And the exact value for A7, that is 2916, Press CA, then apps, 8, 5 to bring out the caret Y. In front of caret Y, let us enter 11, then press equal sign. And this is equivalent to 212,5764 or 2,125,764. And that is in letter D. Thank you once again for visiting our channel. You can leave a comment and please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and God bless you all.